Got an indie channel. I need more money. I need to sell this. I need to sell this. Bubblegum. Guys, how do you play this game? No, no, you need to sell this. Guys, I'm new.
It wasn't me.
I'm new. Alright.
Yeah, I'll teach you.
You ain't getting that.
I'll teach you how to get items.
Okay, bro. I just the book.
Look out there.
I'll show you how to.
Blue.
I'll show you how to. Press this button.
Bro, no, I'm not going nowhere.
It wasn't me.
I was just kidding. I don't know how to play.
This on the keyboard. And now press the big blue button.
Hey, but please, don't kill me. I'm trying to make a video, bro.
I don't have any money. I need to sell some stuff. Hey, please let me sell some stuff. I'm literally broke.
Okay, I'll let you.
Thanks.
Broke off my Travis crazy.
Bro, I wanted to see what's in there. Oh, red guns.
Can somebody buy me a rocket
Okay,
launcher?
I'm sorry I'm blowing up. But you stole my shield. That was actually mine in the first place, bro.
I got you again.
Hey, someone revive me, bro. Someone revive me.
I just want to sell.
Nah, no, you stole my shield.
Go outside. Go outside.
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna take it.
Guys, when is the new update gonna be?
I just love blowing up people.
And for like
I'm
3
blowing up
years. Hey
because
guys,
I'm
you
getting
didn't know a new
They're
secret.
trash talking me and they stole my stuff. So.
Yardy! Free giveaway. Where are you going?
I was not getting up to the ladder.
Wait, where's your body?
Over there. Dude, what are you doing?
Jordy,
join me in Animal Company.
I wonder if anything's in here.
There's red
Nope.
wall.
Oh, I barely got him.
Red wall.
Nope. No. Bad boy. No. Back off. How about this? No.
Hey, free ray guns. Right here.
If you kill me, I'm actually gonna keep on blowing you guys up. I'm gonna keep on blowing you guys up. If you don't stop following me.
Baby.
Oh my gosh. No. I'm putting like background music from like running from somebody. Oh my gosh.
Make a ray gun.
Hey, can someone get me 3 waffles, huh? You can afford a rat.
Come on here. Let's go, finally. Wait, please show me that.
No.
Get that.
I need one. Hey,
Don't take my rocket, bro.
Hey, guys, come down here.
Bro, okay, thank you for saving my life.
Yo, look. Who wants this? Who
What
wants
is it?
this?
Oh, me.
What do you want to trade for it? Do you have it?
Okay,
Can I have it? Wait, this. No, I'll trade it anything. Not anything stupid though. It's like something good or rare. Oh, you're
How about this? Were you taking eggs? They're really big giant eggs.
I'll give you an egg for the chicken.
Yeah.
That's all I can buy. Okay. Hold on. Okay, grab here. Here, 3.
And if you're shooting me, I'm making a video, so.
Thank you, bro.
That was like the easiest trade of my life.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna shoot you, bro. I'm not gonna shoot you.
Everybody.
Everybody, get a teleport grenade, activate it, then put it in my bag.
No,
I'm good.
it doesn't even work, bro.
I'll do it. Activate it and then put it in my bag. No, yeah. Guys, activate teleporting balls
Bro, dude, this
and
is
put
gonna be so
him
hilarious.
in my bag.
I don't want to blow people up.
No, just put it in the ocean.
To me,
I'm running along.
me.
I spent $300,000 on this.
Look, I know what you're trying to do.
Hey, yo, Black, guard save some. Black, guard save some. I have a present for you.
Here.
Black, I have a present for you. Come here, bro. Black, come here.
You're already joined me in Animal Company, bro.
Got it. Thanks, man.
Hey, you. Yeah, I've done it. I've done it. 4 times. Hey, can you revive me?
No. That's supposed to be the whole point of my video.
I gave your.
I'm blowing people.
Your shirt is right there. I swear.
Nah, my shield is not there. Right, you swear.
Idiotic
Swear.
little. Start trying to random
I
call.
think I blew him up. I got him.
What the frick is your problem?
Hey, bro, I'm just trying to save people's life. You're literally gonna throw him to the lake.